Welcome to 1 Minute Finance, your quick shot of business wisdom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how people make money from blogging, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking all about how to monetize a blog, whether you're just starting out or already have a few posts under your belt. Monetizing a blog isn't just about throwing ads on your site, it's about building a brand, growing a loyal audience, and using smart strategies to earn income while doing what you love. So, let's break it all down. Step by step. Step 1. Create high-quality, engaging content. The foundation of every successful blog is content. Good, valuable content. Think about your audience first. What problems are they facing? What are they searching for? Your job as a blogger is to solve those problems with helpful, well-written, and engaging posts. Write in your natural voice. Use clear headlines. Break up text with visuals or bullet points, and make your content easy to read on both desktop and mobile. The better your content, the longer people will stay on your site, and the more likely they are to return. Step 2. Grow your audience. Once your content is solid, it's time to focus on getting traffic. Start by optimizing your posts for search engines. This is called SEO, and it helps your blog show up on Google when people search for topics you've written about. Promote your posts on social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or LinkedIn, depending on where your audience hangs out. Also, start building an email list right away, even if your blog is new. This allows you to stay in touch with your readers directly and let them know when you post something new or have something to offer. Step 3. Monetization. Ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. Now comes the exciting part. Making money from your blog. One of the most common ways to start is with display ads, like Google AdSense. These are simple banner ads placed on your site, and you earn a small amount every time someone views or clicks them. Once your blog has more traffic, you can unlock sponsored posts, where brands pay you to talk about their products or services. This works well if you're in a niche like fashion, tech, travel, or food. Another popular and powerful income stream is affiliate marketing. This means recommending products or services through special tracking links, and when someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key here is to promote only what you genuinely like or use. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to conversions.